What is up, guys? It's your boy Lex Money. Bitcoin was just at 65k. What is going on with ICP today? It looks like we're getting to $10 pretty soon. Look what's happening, peeps. Is it gonna happen? Is it gonna happen? Are we gonna close the day above 65k? If we do, that is gonna be mega ultra bullish, not only for Bitcoin, but for our altcoins as well. Now, everybody, it is getting real. Things are starting to pick up, and it's not going to be as easy as a lot of us do think. Now, I wanted to say to everybody, again, you can go and follow the Insta. I'll try and make sure that I keep you guys motivated in every video. But the man who loves walking will walk further than the man who loves the destination, or the woman, or the whatever. We're all on the journey together, and we can often get caught up with our end goal. Price predictions. When is it going to break out? Are we ever going to break out? Look at the journey. Look where you were this time last year. Were you this invested in the market? Probably not. You probably didn't have as much money in the market as what you did now. You probably didn't even realize you would put this much money and this much time and this much effort and love and care and emotions into the market. That we love crypto for what it is going to do for us, and we must remember that. Sometimes you get a bit too tunnel vision. Take a breather. Enjoy the journey. Now, before we get into the ICP stuff, we're going to start off with wet wipe of the day. Wet wipe of the day. I got a bit mixed feelings about this one, but plan B, you are wet wipe of the day. Bro is predicting a $1 million Bitcoin this bull run. Is this true? Plan B? Really? Plan B, as if you're ever going to see this channel. But bro is completely lost. What is he talking about? Last cycle, he was saying 100k Bitcoin. And did it come? No. This time it was 500k Bitcoin like a couple of weeks ago. Now it's a 1 million Bitcoin. When did that happen? Are we going to reach $1 million Bitcoin this cycle? What do you think? Are we ever going to reach it? Let me know your opinions in the comments. And if you don't track Bitcoin, you wouldn't know that Bitcoin is pretty much lagging behind gold around 3 months. So we're like somewhere around here in this little choppy bit here. Global money supply is increasing. We're breaking out to new all-time highs. And look what happened last time we did break out from this ascending triangle. We had an amazing print session and then bull run to come after that. So is that what we're in the middle of right now? Because it could be. And look, we're printing higher lows in our channel. Is our channel complete? Are we going to be getting 100k Bitcoin this year? If you do wave counts, you can see you've got A, B, C, D, E as the bottom. Print a new higher low and then break out. That's why I don't think we're going to be revisiting the lower area of the channel. Although I do think we could be having maybe one final low inside the channel. And that could look something like this. A retest of the inside channel breakout, 59k. Red circle would bring us back to fear, when technically it's a retest and a higher low. What do you think the market sentiment is going to be like if we go below 60k again? Everybody will then call for 40k all over again. We've got to keep our eyes peeled. But ideally, we need a breakout of the larger channel and then a retest of 70k. For continuation, keep your eyes peeled. But when tracking ICP, it's important to track the altcoin chart. That's why I show you guys this every single time, because we need to look at it holistically. And we could be repeating something very similar from 2020 when we did break out from this downtrend, printed our first green bar, and then we went absolutely parabolic. New assets supported by Chainlink data streams. You've got eGold, Filecoin, ICP on that list, Sansei, ETH, and then XLM. Chainlink data streams provides highly reliable, low latency market data, off-chain to on-chain. Now, Dom, please don't copyright me. They copyrighted me last time I used one of their videos. If they copyright me, who cares? I don't care. I'd rather you guys get this information. Listen to this.
Eventually, all back-end software and data, or the vast majority, will run on blockchain. Then, I started thinking, how can we do all of the things that are necessary in order to extend the internet with the blockchain so people can build on the internet, and when they build on the internet, they're immune to cyber attack, never stop, and so on, and maybe can be built more productively too, and things like that. So what I did was started building out a team, and one of the great things, if you have a really ambitious project and you want to push the boundaries, is that you will always attract the very most talented and brilliant people, because that's what they want to work on. They always want to work on something that changes the world.
And you can watch the full session on YouTube. I'll leave this in the pinned comment so you guys can just go and click after this video. Go and watch the full thing. It's always good to see Dom actually talk. And they've actually got another talk coming up on the 1st and 2nd of October. Keynote, AI that is a smart contract, why and how. And then you've also got a workshop on chain fusion on ICP, integrating ICP with Bitcoin, ETH, and Sol, plus more. And then beyond money, Bitcoin as a dynamic asset. Now, briefly, before we get into the chart, this is something that we looked at in the last video. I think it was yesterday, day before, whatever it was when I posted that really late one. It's no secret that network activity has been exploding on ICP token terminal, ICP has generated more fees than Optimism, Arbitrum, AVAX, and Polygon in the past 30 days. Fees on ICP are up 58x, because you guys like to hear it in X's. 5,804.5% month over month. 58x. Wow. Now we come to the total 2 and we are breaking out into the supply zone. Still holding that second angle. Held the high low. Let's fucking go. Left the demand zone. Trying to print a candle body close higher than these candle body closes. And then we're dealing with that wick now. Do you know how bullish it's going to be once we do start to print our next higher high? We've had one higher low, two higher lows, now a higher high. And if we can continue to push, then what is that going to do for ICP? It is going to bring us up to our $10 target, our 10.9999. Can we still push higher into the supply zone? Well, the total 2 is telling me yes. Yes, we can. We've still got, how much percentage is that? About a 4% move for the total 2 to get to that upper area of the channel. That's going to be altcoins and Ethereum, which could then bring our total 3 up into that supply zone even more. Then maybe we have a retest of the channel and we hold that as support to print our first retest outside of the channel. So ICP is looking absolutely lovely on the USDT pair. And then when you go and check out the Bitcoin pair as well, we're up 1.6% for the day. We're starting to print higher lows. We need to start to print higher highs. And if we can break out of this rising wedge, that is going to be even better. That could mean that, you know, Bitcoin dominance does drop. We're going to start to take some dominance into our altcoins, and you know the large caps are going to move first. It's looking absolutely amazing for our ICP bag. So 10.9999 is the price to be looking at. Breaking out of this rising wedge is going to be another thing we need to keep our eyes on. But that's it. Let me know how you're feeling about the price today. Are we going to close above 65k this week? Is that going to mark the next higher high and the resumption of the uptrend? You let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'm seeing you in the next one. Peace.